Hello friend, we are going to learn on how to connect two LCD screen to a single Arduino board. I'll be using Arduino UNO here. So as you can see here, two LCD screens are connected to a single Arduino UNO board. Please see my previous video in case you have not seen. I'm using a 3-wire interface adapter for making connection to Arduino UNO. So as you can see here, these are the 3 pins. There are 3 pins each for 2 boards. And one advantage of using this kind of adapter is that you can use any Arduino UNO board. So that is very easy. You can connect even more than 2. I never tried connecting more than 2, but connecting 2 wires, 2 LCD screen to a single board is very easy. So let's see the program. So as per the previous video, I'll be using here liquid crystal SR library, and we're going to make this declaration. Pin 5, 6, 7 is connected to LCD screen 1. Pin 8, 9, 10 is connected to LCD screen 2. And this is for LCD 1, which is a normal LCD command. And then this is for LCD screen 2. So you can see here, this is again LCD screen 1 and this is LCD screen 2. So the main part here is the library, liquid crystal SR header library, and these 2 declarations. So please look into this. So as you can see here, these are the 2 adapters, and this pin 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10 is connected to LCD screen 1. And this the other one, other LCD screen 1. So you can change the pin, and you can easily see that it will work for other. You can have multiple LCD screen. So probably it will support 3, 4, or 5 maybe, depending on the pin. So Arduino Mega may support more than 2 LCD screen. Hope this helps, because it's very easy to understand, and this is a pretty handy serial interface adapter for connecting LCD screen to a Arduino UNO. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, please give a thumbs up.